What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Apps. I want to show you guys, obviously I know there's a lot of Porsche owners out there. Very popular vehicle, a vehicle you want to care for, right? Show love to. I want to show you guys this 911 that we're doing a full paint protection film. We're using stealth, so matte paint protection film to protect the entire vehicle. We also have another Porsche Carrera S that we're doing a color change wrap. The color change wrap is getting full wrap, door jambs and everything. And I want to show you guys, one, the speed in which we move, and obviously the quality. We are one of the top shops in Las Vegas because we're efficient. We're one of the top shops in Las Vegas because of the quality we provide, and more importantly, the quality of service. I'm actually going to show you guys when this material was delivered, the one on the Carrera over there, which is being wrapped right now. The material was delivered yesterday. You can see right here on the camera on my phone. There you go. It was delivered yesterday, June 25th, 4 p.m. It's probably delivered around 3. That's when I got updated. Right now is basically the next day. So today is the 26th, 12:44. The vehicle's almost ready. This one was also started this morning, actually. So this is a 911. We're doing a full body paint protection film using stealth PPF. Now, this is something on the surface here. There you go. What I want to highlight is obviously every single edge is wrapped on this vehicle. This vehicle has a beautiful matte metallic paint job. So it's not just a regular black, it's a metallic black paint job. And this customer, the funny thing is, he's been talking to us for months. And he went to a few other shops in town, which I won't mention any names, but he got quoted a lot higher at a shop, at a couple of different shops. He decided to go with us. He's also going to be bringing his Porsche Cayman or Macan on Friday when he picks this one up. So this one's getting a full body paint protection film. He's getting a full body ceramic coating. He's getting a full body ceramic window tint. Check out all the edges are fully wrapped, and just the quality of the installation. Obviously the matte PPF is going to protect it, but also enhance the look and make it look a little bit more custom, if you will, where it's more like a frozen black, which is beautiful, in my opinion anyways. You can see here kind of how everything looks. And we have our installer installing some of the hood right now as we speak. You can see how it's going to be wrapping all the edges. You have the film here basically being applied. And we have obviously taken out the mirrors, so that's why the door panels are out. We have a mechanic on site. Basically, you see the mirrors are out. We took out the handles, put them back. We have a mechanic on site, which will basically allows us to provide a maximum level of quality. It allows us to disassemble things when they need to be disassembled, which is going to be important when you see the other portion right now as I'm walking to it. You can disassemble things to achieve the maximum level of quality without having seams on the body panels right there, like the doors. Show you guys a perfect example before I go to the other Porsche. This Ford Bronco is getting a full paint protection film application. It's actually already applied. We took out the fender flares so we can wrap them in blue. So this fender flare right here is wrapped on a 3M vinyl to get real close to the paint. And then it has a ceramic coating, a paint protection film applied on top. But it's a little bit off blue, but it's not black. They were black, and this was the closer's color, which the customer selected. But again, going back to removing things, we took the handles out, so we don't have a seam right here. We took the flares so the PPF can tuck in, and obviously the flares can be wrapped and then put back together after the PPF is applied. This Dodge Demon, to show you guys again the quality, this one we wrapped a while back with paint protection film as well. Is here actually to get the stars in the ceiling applied, which we're doing that, and I'll show you guys in a separate video. But look at the installation right here. The door handle was removed, so you don't have a seam there. The mirror was removed, so you don't have a seam here. A lot of shops where you go to, they won't even take out the logo, so you have a cutout around the logo. We don't do that. We take the logo out, wrap it with the paint protection film, matte paint protection film, and then apply it again. And then obviously every single edge is wrapped, which is important and is key in the case of a paint protection film job, and definitely in the case of a vinyl wrap. So that's why it's important, and it's good that we have a mechanic on site. Now, in the case of this other Porsche Carrera, I'm gonna show you guys, we actually are doing the door jambs and everything. So the car is fully removed, disassembled. There you go. So this is the car. They didn't take out the back bumper yet, but you can see the doors are fully removed, and we're wrapping the door jambs. Check out, this is the wing, fully wrapped. You got trunk, you got everything fully wrapped. So even inside the car, in this case, we're wrapping the door jamb, took everything apart. Obviously, we'll put it back together once it's completed. And the guys are using this vinyl from APA films to wrap everything. So obviously, if you have a Porsche, you probably want the best quality of service. We understand it's a collector's vehicle. It's a vehicle you love. We love them as well. I myself don't have one yet. Working my way up to it. But if you do want to protect it, you want to get ceramic window tint. We use Xpel, the brand Xpel. Show you guys our lobby while we're at it. This is our window tint displays. So we have obviously ceramic window tint. We use the brand Xpel that comes with a lifetime warranty. When it comes to ceramic, we have two options. We have the XR Black, which provides you 88% heat rejection, 99% UV, and a lifetime warranty. And we have the XR Plus, which is the highest heat rejection film in the market, providing 98% heat rejection and also 99% UV, also a lifetime warranty. And the beautiful thing about both of these films is that they're not going to interrupt your signal, your GPS signal, your cell phone signal, etc., because they don't have metallics on them. Now, this is our lobby as well. If you guys, come in to get a window tint job, ceramic coating, whatever, this is where you wait for your vehicle to be ready. If you're waiting for a tint job or if you're picking up a vehicle, and basically we do everything in-house. When we're on the video, I'll just show you guys a little bit more. We do also printing in-house. So we have commercial vehicles here being printed. We have trailers and different stuff in the back that we're wrapping, which you might have gotten a glance of as I went around, but I'll take you guys back over there. This is very important, and this is important to the video. Right here we have the Xpel software, where we are, Xpel dealers, but this allows us to cut the film to match your vehicle without having to cut on the car. You see that Porsche 911 I show you guys in the back with the paint protection film? All this stuff was cut here. As a matter of fact, they might have some stuff open. Alter edges. Well, this is the Cybertruck. Let's go back. So we have Porsche, and then we can go to any model, 911, GT3, Carrera 4S, GTS. It doesn't matter. Let's go to the GT3 RS, and then we can see here all the different patterns, which allow us, every single piece, to not cut on your car. Allows us to basically cut the film, and what we do on the software is we expand every single edge. So the film normally, the industry standard is to not take out the mirrors, as I show you guys, to not take out the door handles, to not take out the logos. Now we basically go a little step above the industry standard. We will grab the pattern, modify it to remove the logo from the car, and put the film on, then put the logo back up. In the case of door handles and all that, mirrors, we take out the mirrors. Obviously, granted that you give us the permission, some clients don't want anything taken off. In that case, we use the patterns. But on the edges, which is really, really important, we expand every single edge so we can wrap it around. That's why on both the Hellcat, the Demon, and also the 911, you couldn't see the edge. Most PPF installs will cut short of the edge, so you will see that edge. And in the case of a matte conversion, that's terrible. But even in the case of a gloss PPF installation, we like to wrap the edges because, one, it gives us that durability, it gives us that assurance that the film is not going to live if you go through an automatic car wash, and two, it looks phenomenal. I'll end the video by showing you guys a little bit of the other stuff we have in the shop, like this trailer. We're doing a full wrap on this trailer. This trailer is a custom graphic we design in-house for the customer, and we're doing the Mustang. He has a Mustang, which is a race car, wrapped as well to match, which I'll show you guys. Also this G-Wagon, we're doing the stars in the ceiling. We actually completed it. They're gonna watch it right now. That'll be in a separate video if you're gonna go through our YouTube channel. But in this case, you can see the matching graphic on the Ford Mustang. And again, this was all designed, printed, and installed in-house. So again, I know this is a Porsche video. We also have a Cybertruck getting a color PPF. The calipers were painted. There you go. We have all the PPF cut out right here. Then you can see the calipers, how good they look. So we painted this with a gloss black. We added the Cybertruck decals, and we did a clear coat over it. That's also gonna be getting a ceramic coating by the time we're done with it. Again, we're Las Vegas, Purple Flare Wraps, Henderson to be specific. You could be coming to us from Summerlin, you could be coming to us from the north side. you could be coming to us from Utah. We'll take care of you. We'll provide a courtesy ride with some of our services where you drop off the vehicle to us, we give you a ride home, or if it's, in some services like a full body PPF, we'll send a tow truck, flatbed your car into the shop, and get everything done so you don't have to drive it on the roads and get rock chips. You're also welcome to come by our shop anytime. As you can see, this video is not edited. We like to be transparent with our services, and we don't like to hide behind curtains. So if you come to our shop, you get a shop tour, you see everything we're working on, you see the quality, and you feel the vibe of the shop. I appreciate anybody watching this video, and again, if you have a Porsche, any model. Again, this video, you have the 911 and the Carrera with the full color change, and the 911 that's getting PPF, ceramic coating, and window tinting. And I'll put another video when they're both completed later in the week. But if you have any of these vehicles, just give us a call. We'd love to take care of you.